MLA ke UDP buat poleng do ne ke sngi ulang ba ke jing kmi biang ya ke bahak tungkam tungjam jong usnam Syahjar kendai sepak nyufuar kamla ban penduk ya ke jing bom yo kam yo jam ha ke jela. Haba keren berkinung pathai kubor buat pol ulang ba ki don san sepak teli kam ki batli ha kitna sorkar ba per man la usnam ulaban ba kane katnat kadang hiar ha ke bayadai bat ke jing ai kam ai jam. Kat kum uba pol dan kam bani keren halor kitnat kum ke jengok kai perthei kitnat thanjan ke projek babai tengkar ke sorkar namar kini kila ban play kilat shibun ki kam kum ha kini ki por ha ke ba ka kuota baneng kong jong spa snam bar huai kalajan kot ha kini ki arsnam banwan.
We should talk more about sectors like tourism, weaving, village tourism, about government-aided projects, lots of opportunities. So I feel that our sense of priorities is very wrong. Our real issues are drug addiction, single mother families, child malnourishment, infant mortality rate, landlessness. These are the issues that concern us.
Ka dorbashno maulai ne